All right, so as we talked about in class, if I were to give you 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8, when I asked you guys to do this and I had a whole bunch of eights out there, I saw everyone counting because you knew, okay, well, if we have four eights, this saying that we have four groups of eight, we can go ahead and multiply instead of doing repeated addition. So remember, we're doing the same thing here. So when I see 9 times 3, just to go over this rule again, when I see 9 times 3, what this is actually saying is I'm doing 9 times negative 3. I'm doing negative 3 added together 9 times. And we know already that when we're adding two negative numbers together, our sign is going to stay negative because if you borrowed $3 from me for 9 straight days, you don't all of a sudden magically have money. You still owe me even more money. So when we're doing multiplication, we know, well, we can multiply just like we normally do. 9 times 3 we know is equal to 27. So, but since it's a negative times a positive, it's going to give us the negative. And the reason is, remember, multiplication is repeated addition. So we have all these negatives that we're adding together. So we're keep on moving on our number line. If we start at negative 3 and we're adding negative 3 every single time, we're moving even further to the left, meaning that our number is going to be negative. So 9 times negative 3 is negative 27. So when you're doing this, you can go ahead and just treat it. If I say 15 times negative 5, we can just go ahead and think about it as 15 times 5, which we know is 75. So we know our answer is going to be 75. And then we think about the signs. Well, the positive times negative gives me negative. And we know it's giving me negative because it's essentially telling us repeated addition.